One sunny afternoon, Popeye decided to visit the local spinach factory, eager to see where his beloved greens came from. As he approached the factory, a sense of unease settled over him. The cheerful exterior belied the dark shadows lurking within. The factory was unusually silent, the air thick with an unnatural chill. Ignoring his instincts, he stepped inside, his eyes adjusting to the dim light. Rows of spinach cans lined the walls, but the eerie silence pressed on him. Suddenly, he heard a faint whisper, calling his name, echoing through the cold halls. As he ventured deeper, the whispers grew louder, their tone menacing. He stumbled upon a hidden chamber where he discovered grotesque images of former factory workers, their faces twisted in terror. At the center stood a massive cauldron, bubbling with an unholy green liquid, a cursed concoction of spinach. The whispers intensified, revealing a horrifying truth. The factory was built on the ruins of an ancient grave, and the spinach harvested was tainted with the souls of the lost. Popeye's heart raced as he realized the spinach he loved was a trap, feeding off the darkness within him. In a desperate bid for escape, he grabbed a can, knowing he could never again see his favorite food the same way. The factory's shadows clung to him, a chilling reminder that not all is as it seems.